This is me before Mount Marcy. Me before Mount Marcy. Just fell off. Mile 1. Mile 2. We have made it. Mount Marcy avalanche. We have made it to Mount Marcy Dam. Super cool right here. Oh, there's so many people. Whoa. Yeah. But it's okay. It's like, you don't always have to do better. Mile 3. Mile 4. Go 5 miles.
Under this pressure, under this weight, we are diamonds. I feel my
Mile 6. Guys, we got the grapes going.
beneath my skin. I feel my heart beating. You make me feel
Mile 7.
I'm alive again. Alive again. Oh, you make me feel like I'm
Mile 8.
alive again. Said I can't go on, not in this way. I'm a
Hey guys, we made it to the summit of Mount Marcy.
gonna hold up high, the sky and say,
What are you up to? I just fell. Like I have no skin on the back. Mile 9.
beneath my
Mile 10.
I can feel my heart
Mile 11.
beating. 'Cause you make me feel like I'm alive again.
Mile 12. Mile 12. Hey guys, we made it to the summit of Tabletop.
Oh, you make me feel like I'm
Oh, there's me. Mile 14. Mile 15. Mile 16. 17 miles.
turn your magic on. And you should say everything you want to dream away.
The pens I used. Yo, Gabby, how many miles until Mount Marcy? 6, 7. Yo! Guys, we made it to the summit of Mount Marcy. It's raining now. Hooray. We made it. I'm gonna go poop.
What did he say?
The money flipping, it's all right. No Ubering in and out of prison for a while.